Ah, yes, the Nintendo 3DS. One of my favorite consoles, except not really. Now, this console has a special place in my heart because this was basically the last Nintendo console I've ever played. So why don't we take a trip down memory lane and listen to some of the recordings that I have on here. What a great start. Now, I do remember there was one recording, or actually, it was like a series of recordings where I would scream into the microphone while my mom and my sister were out shopping, and I don't know why I screamed in the microphone, but let me try to find it.
Wow, it shouldn't take this long. It's been like 5 years. Wow, it's been 5 years since Santa last returned. Wow, I guess they won't be back anytime soon. Bye. Oh my God, it's been 10 years since they've been gone. Oh my God. It's been 500 years since they've been gone. Wow, 500 years. It might as well be 1,000. Oh my God, I was right. It's been 1,000 years. Wow.
These are so annoying. Why did I make these? These are so annoying.
This is a sneak peek of what's on the next one. Oh my God, they have finally returned! Oh my God, they have finally returned after 5 million years! How are we alive? We don't know. The universe has died and the source dead.
Okay. I was 12. I was 12 for a month when I made this. I didn't even have an iPhone yet, and I was recording this.
Oh my God, they're finally back from the space store! Wow! But seriously, my family is not back yet from the store, and I've been making pointless series thingies. So, thank you for listening. Bye!
And that was the end. That's the end of that. That's fun. I kind of forgot that the birds repeat the recordings that you have, so it makes it even more obnoxious. Okay, so I found this recording from July 2019. I was 14. Let's see what this recording has to offer for us. That's great.